Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at usagamedayware.com. If you've seen this site online and wondered if it's a legitimate shop or just another digital trap, let's walk through the wreckage together. First, we checked the domain and found it was only registered in August 2025. It's so new it's practically still in the womb. While being new doesn't automatically make a site malicious, having zero track record means it has exactly nothing to prove it's trustworthy. Most legitimate stores take time to build credibility, but this one is just waving a giant, fresh red flag. Next up are the product images. At first glance, the clothes look pretty cute, featuring plenty of fan apparel for football, basketball, and baseball. However, a quick reverse image search reveals that these photos were borrowed from other websites. Apparently, taking their own photos was far too much effort for their busy schedule of being suspicious. If a store can't even show you their actual inventory, you're basically playing a high-stakes game of what's in the box. We also looked for any sign of a founder or a team page, but we found absolutely nothing. No names, no faces, and no background info. It's less of a business and more of a digital ghost town, and that total lack of transparency is a massive concern. Then we have the marketing tactics, which are about as subtle as a sledgehammer. The site is crawling with pop-ups and desperate messages like, "Only a few left," or 12 people are viewing this right now. It's the online equivalent of a pushy salesman following you into the dressing room. Finally, let's talk about the reviews, or rather, the complete lack of them. There is no mention of this site on Trustpilot, no discussions on Reddit, and not even a stray comment in the corners of the internet. For a store selling trendy items, having zero footprint is actually quite an achievement, just not the kind that inspires confidence. So, what is the final verdict? Honestly, this website looks about as safe as a screen door on a submarine. Between the brand new domain, the stolen images, the invisible owners, and the aggressive sales tactics, there are just too many warning signs to ignore. You are much better off staying away and choosing a store that actually has a reputation to uphold. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.